Good day everyone, welcome to God's Vessel Graphic Design. Today I'll be teaching you on how you can create this naming ceremony, baby naming ceremony flyer using your smartphone with Pixel app. Okay, so this is how I created everything. So what we are going to do now is to erase everything. So we start from the scratch. Okay, come to your size, increase the size to write 726,956. Okay, do you get it? Now change the background to white. Change the background to white. So what we are going to do next is to import this. Okay, the baby already I have removed the background. I've edited it on PSCC. So what we are going to do, I'm looking for where I enhance the image. So I'm looking for Photoshop Espresso. This is it. So I'm bringing in the image of the baby. Okay, so it's okay like this. Good. All right, so you lock it. So what I'm going to do next is to bring in, let me bring this in first so that we can make use of it. Okay, so let's lock it. Aha. So what I'm going to do next is very simple. Just to bring in this. Okay, bring in this. All right. All right, it's okay like this. You close it. So what I'm going to do next is to bring in another vector element, which is this. Okay, bring in this and remove the background. Go to erase color, remove the background, and change the background to this color. If you look at it very well, this is the color I used rather. I hope you can see. So you are going to change the background color to that. Okay, all right, let's change the background color to this. Okay, so it's just very simple. Just click on this. I think this is how I used it. Okay, so let me check. I hope you can see. I hope you can see it yourself. Good. So bring it to this middle, and what we are going to do next is to include your stroke. Change your stroke to this blue color. How you can pick it from this vector here. From this vector, just pick the blue color. Okay, leave it at 2, then place it here. Okay, I hope you can see it. We are good to go. So close it. What we are going to do is to bring in another vector, which is the vector flower, which is this. Okay, remove the background, go to erase color. All right, okay, this is how I did it. I was able to achieve this with this yesterday. Okay, all right, okay, copy it, copy, and use your rotation and rotate it back to 90. Alright, then you drag it down here. Okay, alright, you lock it. All we are going to do next is to bring in another vector. I make use of this, so it's very simple for you to make use of. Just erase the background color and we are good to go. So this is how I was able to achieve this with just my smartphone. You change it like this and here we go. Okay, so here we go. So now bring in your written elements, reduce the size of this vector a little bit. Okay, you centralize it. Good. So let's write the family of, so you come to test, the family of, you change the color to white, change the color to white, then you come to your font. I make use of this font, this China font. It is okay. If you don't have this app, you can make use of Go board or Go Time board. You can search for it on your Google. Download the font. I love this font, that is why I make use of it. You copy it, then you write Mr. and Mrs. Mr. and Mrs. Mr. and Mrs. Akonji Adesoji Adesoji. Okay, you capitalize it. Then you are going to come here, okay, to your alignment and centralize it. Please as centralize it. Then okay, this is what I need. Okay, so you come here, you reduce it to -9. Okay, you centralize it, you shift it up a little bit. Now we are good to go. I hope you can see it, how it is well aligned and properly arranged. Okay, so we are good to go. What next? Let's check. So what we are doing next is very simple. Bring it to font. So we have to write with vital joy and happiness. So what we are going to do next is to click on this same font, copy and write with vital joy, and happiness. With vital joy and happiness, invite you to their babies. Then click on OK. You change the color to this blue. Alright, you can use your color picker to pick it. Okay, good. So just make it to like this, and then you go to your alignment and then centralize it. So you reduce it to, I think 22 is okay. You centralize, centralize it. All right, we are good to go. Okay, reduce it to, I think it's too much, to 20. Yes, 20 is okay, is a good number. All right, so what we are going to do next is to write dedication ceremony. Dedication ceremony. You capitalize it and then you come here. All right, so we are using, for this font we are using go bold regular. Go bold regular, this font. Okay, go bold regular. Now you are going to change the font to this. Okay, this font. You can use your color picker. I have it so I don't have to bother myself picking it again. Okay, we are going to centralize alignment and centralize, then increase the size. Okay, increase the size, then you centralize it, then you come to line spacing, you reduce it a little bit to -10. 11 is okay. So dedication ceremony. What next is to bring in our date and time, and at the same time the venue. Come to shape, click on this and change it to this one, to blue. All right, so you reduce its size and you press copy, then you bring it down. Okay, so change the color to this. All right, so just bring it down here carefully, and then bring in the second, just bring it down also. Increase the size by, okay, 8 is okay. So you are going to do the same thing to the other one too. 8 is a good number. Increase it to 8. All right, we are good to go. So what we are going to write there is just very simple. We are writing in, we are still going to click on this vital joy. All right, so click on it and copy. We are going to write 30th of July. 30th of July. Capitalize it. I remember the font I make use of is this dedication ceremony, which is go bold regular. So you are going to come to color pick, font picker, and change it to go bold regular. Okay, so you reduce it like this and change the color to white. All right, bring it in. Okay, bring it in, then you reduce the size. Okay, increase it by 1. Okay, let's increase this to 9. 9 is okay. All right, let's increase this to 9. All right, so what we are going to do is to align it properly. Okay, I hope you can see that. Good. Okay, same thing applicable to the second one. Align it properly, so we are good to go. So what we are going to write next is the time. 9, copy, then you write 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Capitalize, then you bring it down. Down. Okay, you increase the size a bit. All right. Okay, 9 a.m. Shift this a bit. Okay, you write 9. You write prompt. 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 All right. So you bring it down. You bring it down, 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 down. Okay, reduce the size. Reduce the size and okay. So what we are writing next? What we are writing next is very simple. Venue. Venue. Copy and write venue. Venue. All right. Bring it down. But remember to change the color to blue. Okay. Venue. Okay. So come here to style and bold it. Venue. Good. Okay. All right. Venue is being written and increase the size to 18. Good. So bring in a shape, reduce it like this and change the color to this. Okay, bring it down here. Just bring it. Sorry. Just bring it down here. Okay, reduce it like this. All right. Okay, lock it and write the address. Copy and write the address. CAC Christ Apostolic Church, Mountain of Joy. Capitalize it and bring it in. Change the color to this and sorry, reduce the size. Just reduce the size. Reduce the size to okay. Reduce the size and change the font to this font we are using already. Okay, I hope you can see it. Aha. Then come to bold. You bold it. Okay. All right. I hope you can see it. So you make sure it is well aligned. Mountain of Joy. You copy this and you bring it down. You bring it down just like this. All right. You increase the size. Okay. It's too much. Then how are we going to do this? Just have to come here. I hope you can see it. Good. So you lock it. Take it up a bit. Okay. We are good to go. So what next is to write the area. You copy, then you write the area. Food markets area, Ilemono of Akwa State. Ilemono, Akwa State. Okay. Just have to bring it down here and we are done. Okay, increase the size a bit. All right. I hope you can see it. Okay, just ensure it is properly arranged. Sorry, you have to capitalize this so we don't make mistakes. Okay, I hope you can see. This is how I made this simple design. So there's something I want to add before the end of the video. So it's very simple. Just come here, click on shape and come to radiant, click on this. Okay, and click here, click here. Okay, I hope you can see it good. Just click here, here. Okay, click on it. I hope you can see it. Now click on this white and click here. This is where I clicked. Okay, so you click on this black and reduce the opacity. Okay, so what you are going to do next is to drag this. You drag it in, you drag it. Okay, then you come to the right and reduce the size of the right a little bit. Okay, and this is what we want to achieve. Now we are done with this. Okay, we are done with this. Let me unlock it. Good. So this is what I want to just bring out. I hope you can see it good. So I'm going to change the font and the color rather to this. Okay, and I'm going to reduce the opacity of it. I'm going to reduce the opacity. This is just what I just want to bring it here like a shape, just to bring a kind of shadow to it. Okay, I hope you can see it. All right, it's okay. You copy and you bring it here as well. Okay, fine, we are good to go. So this is how you can create this simple naming ceremony on your phone. Okay, so you come here, you save your work, ultra, and for you to enhance it, you are just going to go on your Adobe Photoshop to enhance the design and make it more beautifying. Come to Adobe, this app, this. Okay, so click on it. Okay, click on the video and it's going to bring you in. So just click here to make it more easier. I hope you can see the color. I hope you can see it. You see the way it brings more beauty to it. So you come here and increase the size, increase. I hope you see the beauty of this design now. And you save your work. That is all. We are done. You just have to just save your work, and that is all. Okay, see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like and comment and share. Till we meet again, bye for now.